2225 Mundare. This is a very clean, pretty straightforward home. It looks very nice. So we have tile as soon as you enter. We have the 2.5-inch folding blinds. Whoa. Really high ceilings. The walls are a very light grayish color. The floors are gray too, but they almost have a little bit of tan to it as well. Very fresh and clean looking. Really high ceilings, upgraded fixtures, 2.5-inch folded blinds, carpet, paint, everything looked great. Just extra storage. We have fake grass and rocks here in the backyard. Not much pavers, but we do have the fake grass, so we'll see what Jenny has to say about that. Need a dishwasher, space saver, stainless steel, everything's in beautiful condition. Oops. Carpet's great. It's standard to get a carpet cleaning just because carpet can be dirty during showings. Master right at the top. Looking great. This is one piece. That's amazing. That's all one piece as well. Great loft area. I know that's a huge plus, especially in a house this size with the bedrooms. Oops, sorry. This shower rod extends out a bit in a good way. It gives you a little extra space. And the laundry's upstairs, and it also has granite. Wow. Nice home.